Oh wait, I'm not even ready. There we go. Now I'm ready.
You're okay. You're...
There we go.
Look at her face. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you laugh.
Alright, let's go.
Here, you take it. Ma. Catch. Oh, you were DB. Your hands aren't full.
Where? Yeah.
That was not embarrassing at all. I am so sorry.
That's alright.
Oh God.
Okay, usually my photo shoots I used to hit by cars.
I can't take a picture of my face being red. Thanks, Amber.
I'm yelling at you not to smile while being stabbed, and I'm over here laughing. Okay.
Maybe we need to do a giggly one next.
Maybe up at the chest, or I don't know, something, both hands, yeah. Turn it that way to see there we go.
That's good. I have a good feeling that's going to be really good.
Like I'm stopping it?
I'll try.
Don't stab me.
I know you don't like your throat, but...
No, you're good. I trust you.
Sean, she's going to stab you.
Maybe don't trust
No,
your
you
kid.
look, oh, yeah.
Maybe trust her, but not the kid.
Yeah, no, not the kid.
There we go. I'm trying to have evil eyes when I do it.
Okay.
That's great. I can't wait to see something.
Maybe some with the umbrella?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't know. I can't. Why doesn't that want to go in there?
Everybody laugh a little bit.
That ain't hard.
No, not at all. Throw a hat again. Throw a hat. Not at me, jeez.
Well, come forward then.
No, you scare me. Can I tickle somewhere?
Like that.
Oh, they're still getting ready.
No.
Oh, there we go. Cool.
Alright, maybe we can come down.
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, my knees will always do that. Yes. I had surgery.
Or if you take a few steps back.
39. So you're gonna be what, 37? 36?
You're 38.
Oh.
No, you're going to be 39.
If she goes missing, I'm here.
Alright, there we go. Cool.
Awesome. Love it.